Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Bridget Wint. If we haven't met yet, you are most welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you inspirations for bedrooms and living room decorations. In my opinion, there's no one right way to decorate your home. It's really up to you to find your personal style. However, there are some tips and suggestions that can help you to get started. When it comes to interior design, start by taking a look at the themes and styles that resonate with you personally. Once you have a general idea of what you want, you can begin to look for inspiration. One of the easiest ways to get inspired for your home interior design is to look at other people's homes. Look at how they've decorated their spaces and try to emulate their style if you want, but put your own personal spin on it. You can also visit home decoration shops and look at the different designs that are available. Once you have a general idea of what you want, you can then start to think about the specific elements that you will need to incorporate into your design. Some of the most basic components of any home interior design are furniture, wall decor, and accessories. When it comes to furniture, you can choose to feature high quality pieces that will last. Alternatively, you can choose to go with less expensive options that are still very stylish. When it comes to wall decorations, you can choose to feature a decorative piece or bold color schemes. Finally, and I think this is probably one of the most important tips I can give you, bring in the light. The best way to enhance the look and feel of your home is by adding light fixtures and lamps. There are a variety of options available, so you can find something that will perfectly match your style, even if you have to thrift it. It's really up to you to find your individual style, and the videos that I'm going to share with you will give you so many beautiful inspirations. I hope these videos will be helpful to you as much as they've been to me, as I plan my next phase of building my dream home in Lusaka, Zambia. Happy watching, and I'll see you in the next one.